stupid. That, you do not need to bring the truck on the boat. But for some reason I decided to do that anyway. What is holding this thing on? Oh, nothing. Oh, well, I guess that works, but yeah, I was kind of stupid. And it's honestly really obvious as to what you're supposed to do. What the hell? It doesn't need to go in the water, but I wanted to. Oh! Does that even come back up? No, I don't think it does. Okay, so things I meant to do here, right? Where's everything? Where's the big thing? But well, both the stuff is over there, so I have to get there. And bring it around over here. Which, again, that's gonna be as much of a problem as it was before, not just a little less of one. I drove a vehicle over there, but again, I'm not good at that, and any opportunity where I have to avoid doing that, I will take. I can't really. Because I can get into some of them from like a distance, but I mean you can get all of them from a distance, but it's not. It's the same distance every time, and I keep somehow fumbling that. Okay, I just want to get through this damn mission. I'm not even doing the optional objectives because I don't care. Like, I'll do it when they're easy and when I feel like it, but I do not feel like it. That may have been a poor choice, what I just did. Hold on. If this thing breaks, it's fine. Okay, now we back up into the spot. I guess I can still go for the optionals. I guess it wouldn't be bad to do. Oh, well, that works. You know what? Wait. Hold on. There we go. Doors don't need hinges, do they? No, I don't think they do. Great. Much easier to get out of this now. So now this is in a good spot. I'm gonna just drive this thing out and into there. Now I need to get the truck over, which I can do. I really want to bring this thing down. Like, I don't have a reason to. I just feel like it. It's not gonna work, but like, I have to try. Yeah, it's not working. I can keep going with it, but no, I'm not gonna deal with that. Can't really throw that, but You drop it aggressively. Where am I going? Wait, no, it is all the way over there. Yeah, I don't know what I was doing. Is there actually anything in here worth anything? Nope. Turns out not. Again, empty boxes. What's the problem with the gate here? Oh, this is just one that opens up like that. Which we can't have, of course. That's a spray can. Cool. Nice gate. Oh. Just throwing stuff. Throw stuff. Okay. Now that I've sufficiently thrown things, I can actually do what I'm supposed to do, which is over here, right? Am I stupid? Well, I mean, yeah, but I still know where it is. I'm streaming this, right? Good. What the f... Cool. Oh, wait. Give me a bit, a bit buggy, but, oh, huh? That's not supposed to happen. Yeah, there we go, slide it off there, throw it out into the woods. Oh, well, there's, yep, that'll work. Fuck your boxes. Water out there? Oh. Okay, don't know what just happened there. Besides the thing that I ran into on purpose. Get this out of the way. Ores. That ore just knocked something over? No, I thought it did though. I almost tried to shotgun that. That wouldn't work. Oh no, wait, can I? Is there a way I can just remove the doorway entirely? Probably. Oh. Right, and then I just hammer this. So now the doors drop down and I can throw it. Same thing with this part here. Which I honestly only needed to get rid of the bottom. Yeah, I only needed to get rid of the bottom. That's okay. Because... it'll work anyway. I don't need to break through here to do it, but it feels good. Just give myself as much space as possible to where I don't mess anything up. I'm incapable of making mistakes. It also means I need to find a way to get rid of that staircase. I can do that though. I don't know how I'll do it, but I'll do it. Yeah. That's metal. But it's attached to not metal. So if I can just... Yeah, and then... Right? Well, it's still attached to the ground, and it's... Oh, no, it's still... Hold on. Make sure none of these are attached to shit. Okay. Okay, so... That still doesn't work somehow. What? That's attached to the wall? Hold on. Aw, shit. Hold on, there's gotta be a way I can just remove this thing, right? Without setting fire to the place. There are fire alarms, so like... Is that still attached to the ground? No, it's not. Meaning it can move. Okay, whatever. This is attached to nothing. Okay, well. Oh, yeah, I got this piece to come off. Or, well, yeah, I got this part of it to come off. This is the worst way to do this, and I'm aware of it. But it doesn't exactly matter. Because it's the most fun way to do it. By destroying everything. Destroying everything. Okay. That's good. Okay, how many things can I just throw the hell out? And also rip in half in the process. Can I just take that up there? Okay, or just bring everything up there and down here. Imagine someone coming over here and seeing just a bookshelf and a metal shelf like in the water with a bunch of other random shit. Inexplicable hole in the ceiling, in the floor I mean, for no reason. Just getting everything out of my way so I can then get the staircase also out of my way. I just take the whole damn thing. I wonder. No, I don't want to try that. I don't want to try and like break this whole part of the thing now. That would be funny, but then it would make it impossible to do what I'm trying to do. Which is to remove the staircase. Wait, that's working? Yes. Yes. Yes! Oh, what? Yeah. Kind of. Oh, whatever, it's good enough. Okay. See, that is some boost. That is some BS right there. I just know how to blow the blowtorch. Sick. Yeah, this second floor little upper area is kind of not a thing anymore. Oh! It worked! And I can carry it like it weighs like 12 pounds. Okay, not really 12, it's definitely heavy, but like not nearly as heavy as you'd expect it to be. This staircase weighs 30 pounds. Oh, hold on. It's working. Okay, it's working. Why isn't it working? Is there a reason behind that? I don't think so. I think the game just doesn't like me. I think that's the reason. There we go. This is the most convoluted and awful way to do this. Like, awful because it's inefficient, and also awful because I am just ruining this place for no reason. It's great. I gotta play I gotta do like sandbox mode and just mess around. That's kind of what I'm doing now in the regular game. Wouldn't really be much different. I just wouldn't have an objective to complete. It wouldn't be as fun, let's be honest. Okay, time for me to actually start bringing this to the location it's supposed to go. Oh, I should probably lower that. What? Oh! That wasn't supposed to happen. Why did it? Oh, is it because the bed rammed in, the truck bed rammed into things? Because I didn't lower it? Because I didn't know if it would really matter? Oh! Don't worry about that, there's just pieces of floor, ceiling, both. No, 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 don't go back on it. There we go, see, it's held in place again. It's all good. It's all good. Oh. Oh god, I have to turn. Hold on. I can turn. I can turn. I can turn. Not well, but I can turn. Yeah! Gameplay! This is Teardown, the best game ever made. Oh, stop moving! Okay. If I can just turn a bit. Oh. Oh. Oh, I glitched out. Okay. I phased out of the truck. Everyone knows that I can density shift. I'm a Martian. What am I doing? Putting things into a thing? Okay. Shit. Okay. Yeah, I could have done this with the optionals, but I don't care. Okay, I think I'll do a second mission. Why did it say it? Oh, what the hell? Oh! I think I broke it. Yeah. Oh wait, is that? That's not the next thing, is it? Alright, see, now this guy is saying to do stuff. Um, wait, are there two missions here? Yes, there are. So what was that? Oh, yup, he's saying that the other guy did it. Which, is technically true. Um, okay, so what am I supposed to do here? Oh, wait. I know what this is. Yeah. Also, why do you rate fave the abbreviation? I'll do that one after, because it's another damn car one. But it is at a different place. But this, however, is here. Okay. Would it be better to go somewhere I haven't went to yet? Being here is honestly great. But, maybe I should. But I feel like this would be faster. That one might take me longer to do. I had the two optionals. Okay. So where are the required ones? Well, and where are the optional ones? Okay, up here, no one there. And on a boat. You know what? Let's not do this one. I kind of do want to go to a different. Kind of want to go to the other one just because it's different spot. No car in the water. Of course, I'm going to pilfer things from this man. Even though I did a lot of stuff for him, it doesn't mean I'm exactly loyal. Ah, fuck you. You know what? Oh, I think I might have been actually able to push that. Fuck you! Just wanted to, yep, it's just a metal frame now. Just close that. Good enough. Ooh. Wait. Is there anything behind these, like, wall panels? Probably. Yeah, his place is big. It's got sliding doors and other fancy random shit that you don't need. Dictaphone? I don't know what that is. You know what? Why can't I throw his keyboard out the window? What? Aw, damn. I just smashed this shit for no reason. Ooh. Why does he have a coin collector? Ah! I can keep the middle one. No fucking way. He can keep the middle one. It's not the two on the sides. Only need one, bro. Oh, never mind. I guess you can't keep that either. Bro, he has so much shit under the cushions. Again, I'm leaving small parts of his things. I don't care. Shitty sliding modern doors. Elevator in his own damn house. Why do you have multiple? Wait, can I not like? Push. Oh. You get one TV in your whole house. That's all you need. Bro has his own movie theater. Break all of his technology. Just not even doing the mission. I'm just stealing things. There's really nothing down there. Can't break that wall. Or can I? I sure can. Need to up shotgun damage. It's very low. This is not high enough. I almost missed something there. I'm not. Oh. No. Hold on, what? How do I get back there? Wait. Get onto the roof? Hold on. There's gotta be a way I can get on the roof. I don't know how. You break your staircase and use it to build a new one. Never mind. Off with your glass. Is this a son, bro? You don't need that room. You really don't. I'll leave this one intact. Is there a way to get up there? Can I like climb up this? Oh, I can just walk up it. You don't need that. Concrete. Which I do have a shotgun. Wait, that's in the vent, isn't it? Yeah. I can actually get into that, but I also can't. Wait, was that not where that was? Am I stupid? Yeah, well, yeah, but like, I might not even do the extra mission. I might just fuck about here. That's fun to watch, right? Oh, I'm exploring. I'm just in the ceiling. Yep, look, I'm just sitting in here now. And just be, wait, actually, break it open with the, yeah, I'm just in here. That's fun. But I can't get through the other one though, which is a bit upsetting. Is there anything behind this wall? No, right? Just... no. Oh, shit! Ow. What am I meant to do? Oh yeah, he has a racetrack. I'm not doing that. Available targets. Oh yeah! I need to do 3, but it doesn't have to be any particular 3. Which is really cool. Oh. Don't I just have to dump them? I just have to dump them. There's one there. Where are the closest 3 to the exit? How are there 6? Okay, let me zoom out. There's... Let's see what I can do about... Wait, where's the one over here? Empty fucking pool. Okay. So I'd have to bring that pretty damn far. Because of where the water is, which isn't close to here, so I can't really do these. Okay, well, I think I have an idea. Of the 3 that I can go for. Not that I've totally already forgotten where they are already. There's one right next to me. That one I can just zoom across. And really just use it to get to the other 2. That one is that lower down? It is. So that could be an issue. Oh, it's on a truck though. Wait, and the truck isn't on anything. I can take that wherever I feel like, right? Hold on, let me save just in case I ended up breaking this. End up breaking something. Yeah, for that reason right there. Some air, damn. Oh, you don't need that. Motherfucker. Reset. It's fine. What is it stuck on? The hell is this? Oh, I ran over that before. Oh, there's no way. There's no way. Why is that stuck there? That's so shit. There we go. Much better. Careful! Well, I got one. I got one. I got one. Okay. Okay. Since I didn't activate the alarm, I guess. Okay then. So there's really only two I have to do. One that I have to nyam a claust, and then the one that I just zoop out. And then I can probably just run to the end, but I probably should get another vehicle just because. This is a garage over here, right? So it shouldn't matter. Why am I trying to open it? Can't I just break around it? No. Oh. Work the wiring to something. That's good. Okay, he has a shitty little thing here. Actually, let's just back out the side. God. Oh shit! Did I save? Oh, I didn't save. I'm done. I'm done. Fuck. Oh no, I have to complete it. Oh my god, it's gonna take me so long, but I'll do it. I'll have an hour-long fucking upload, it's okay. Anyone who really wants more Teardown, well, you're gonna get a lot of it. An hour and a half in one day. Bro. Again, playing it like the source game. Okay. That'll work. Yeah. That's a good spot for it. Oh wait, that doesn't help me. And I knew it wouldn't help me, but I kind of wanted to just break it to do so. Oh. Oh no, I fell into. There we go. Oh, the gate, no! The gate, no! Oh, can I make it? Surely I can make it, right? Okay. This was a while. I'm sorry. I took a long time there. I was messing about, trying to have fun, and you know what? I did, and that's basically what every recording of me playing this game will be. It will always be me having fun first, and if you're enjoying it, then that's awesome. But honestly, I'm mainly just playing the game. But I want to record it, right? Because you know, I like doing that. I like people seeing what I'm doing, and especially if they enjoy it. But I don't know. I also want to just play the game for my own enjoyment as well. So I'm trying to do both, and I hope I'm balancing that well.